popping? What's going on, everybody? You don't know who it is and who it not. It's me. I'm headed out to an interview to do an interview. You see all that stupid shit? I'm going to an interview right now, Loop, Jamaica. I look at 30 minutes something. So I'm gonna bring it with me. I'm gonna see what I go on. Alright, so I'm about to peel out, you know, inside that car hot. God damn it. I'm gonna need to make a little quick stop, then we go straight a loop. So I'm gonna make a quick stop straight a loop. Mad. I reach. I get some parking, you know. I think I have like 6 minutes left before we go live, so I'm early, kinda. I'll try to get some parking. I'm going out here because the bridge, god damn it. It's late, but I'm here. I'm looking for somebody that's supposed to pick me up. I don't see the person as yet. So, let me show you. Alright, cool. Are you?
Hi, can I get one too?
Yeah, sure.
No, actually.
We're here. Somebody's gonna come pick me up. She's not doing this yet. I just see a couple of facts.
Welcome to this week's episode of In the Loop, a fresh take on entertainment from Loop, Jamaica. I am Kevoy.
Hi everyone, thank you for joining us for another episode live on Instagram, Facebook, the Loop app and the Loop website.
We have a great guest joining us this week. He's one of the first YouTubers out of Jamaica, and he's been doing comedy videos before Instagram, you know, a long time thing there, Vine and Snapchat. The original Kevin Too Crazy. Welcome to the show, Kevin.
Hey, thank you, man.
Bless up.
There, live.
So many things happened this week, so let's get started with the roundup of our top stories that made the cut. What do you think about that?
That's one too funny people go on Instagram and say that. Should I just say, alright, Ravish, okay, you know, you don't know, big up on yourself, but, you know, why, you know, Jamaicans that to know.
Yeah.
Jamaicans that's to know.
I understand where they come from, where Ramisha come from, so because of your artist, so you would like to, everybody knows, so you know, she'll get the deals and she'll do good things. But at the same time, you can't forget the people who did it before. You see me? So you always have to recognize the people who do it.
Spice took offense to this statement and responded via social media, saying that Meanie Man is not the true king of dancehall, but rather Vybz Kartel is. You know, we have people watching this show that we don't want to.
But still give you a point.
But, Kevin, you first.
Alright, here's my opinions. I don't think you should have said Queen Elect, because basically a Spice around the female side of dancehall.
Yeah, true.
You know,
true.
A Spice her.
True.
So, Spice are the queen of dancehall right now. I want to know how Spice did hear what Beanie Man said if she was responding to reading it, because when you read something you say it in the tone of voice or you think the person
I think it was on stage.
So she see.
Yeah, she see.
I guess maybe she pick up on the mannerisms say is maybe a little shit.
We never watch it.
That's true.
His exact words were, the queen of the dancehall is now baptized.
Alright. No, I understand why Spice kick back then.
Yeah.
Jay Bruce said everybody's just arguing on social media.
Everybody's arguing on social media. Everybody. Mankind borderline, you know?
The pageant organizer says Clark breached her contract and that she was asking for sponsorships from persons in Trinidad and Tobago to help finance her in the international competition. However, Clark stated that she had to ask for sponsors since the franchise only provided her with a dress.
That's some miscommunication I go on to say because
Yeah.
if you only have a provider with a dress, we expect you to get money from to do
We
everything
shall get
else.
the shoes from. We shall go do our ear. You see what I'm saying?
All of them something that
You know what I mean? We shall do our
talk
makeup.
about in our budget.
Them not cheap.
No, sir, if they make a little, then take piece of cloth and show up on the girl and then they must strip her down a bit. You see how life is? You see that?
Rough,
Whose
man.
side? Whose side? Anyway. Yeah.
I'm see something else with Family Guy and the crack a joke about 10 years ago about him like that and to see it actually happen now. It's
Hey, there's a Family Guy is a little...
they make some predictions more.
Yeah, man, they make a little
one.
prediction now. Years
How
ago,
they know?
they make a prediction about Bruce Jenner becoming a woman now.
How they know
Years
it?
For
ago.
real?
Years ago, yeah.
Like.
They came on the show and it was a woman talking to somebody and like, yeah, I'm Bruce Jenner.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, man,
Wow.
them thing the normal one. Them thing the normal one.
Alright, the whole idea was that there are two parts to Kevin. You have the crazy side, and then you have Kevin, who is just me, regular, quiet, not too much talking. I was watching an interview with Will Smith a couple of years back, and he was saying, if you're going to play a character for a particular time, make sure the character have a name where you like. Because of that, people are going to forever call you, no matter what them see you. So that's why I'm kind of dropping my little name in there, and then I write the two different, I put the number, with the W-O-K-R-E-Y-Z.
Yeah, you know, it confused me. One time I did thinking in Kevin too crazy, and then I said, without make sense. You see what I'm saying?
Just say it, don't read it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just say it, don't read it. If you read it, you got a problem.
Yeah.
Just say it.
Anyway, so what do you think of the YouTube industry as a Jamaican?
No,
Yeah.
it is definitely growing, and I'm glad to see that. There are a lot of persons who were doing it before me, but not in the only person that I really knew of who was doing the entertainment thing was our persons, I should say, Travis and Bella Blair. I think Barry used to do it them time that I never know Barry until after I
Yeah.
so I'm glad to see that the industry will grow. Mostly you don't really have a lot of female entertainers on there because most of the females them tend to go towards the whole makeup and the vlogs and everything.
Yeah.
So now we see some whole heap of little youths, people like King Tavi, King Taj, Tiwana them jumping like Prince Pine them jumping like who else again? Yeah, Fat Skull you
One
probably
Rum.
if you make One Ramon jumping at it. So everybody the YouTube industry will grow. What we would have liked to see for all of this now is YouTube kind of start look in a direction of third world countries and give us the opportunities. So maybe like come out here. I'm doubting it will happen, but come out here and come set up some headquarters or something so that the youth can find something else in case them not really want to go through the whole school thing. Give them an opportunity. No, because it's another route.
That's the thing. That's something you have to run by the parents.
No, but look.
Look,
A lot of parents they think that they set out a particular route for their children to travel.
Yeah.
But that's not necessarily the route that the child wants to go.
Yeah,
It's true.
That's true.
For example, I always say that God will bless you with a talent or something. And some people they're not gonna be gifted up here so, but they're gonna have a skill or a talent that's gonna skyrocket them. So we look at the selectors sometimes when I say what's so special about selecting. But if you really look into it, and everybody can do it.
That's
That's true.
I'm a charity now, I never really work.
Exactly. So you have to
just go on to school.
That's
Right now.
Oh, let's see the comments.
Yeah.
Somebody says Selena stop blushing, his wife is watching.
What you on?
You're tripping, man.
No.
Say you watch your lungs.
Jamaica need over
You're
here.
not sure?
Yes. Yes. What do you make TV? No worries. So talk to us about that. How was that? How's that for you?
That was a whole thing that came off the whole me doing YouTube. Empress saw me on there, and I was going back to college. I think it was August 2012. I was on the bus, or near to get the bus to go back, and then I get a call. I say, yo, this is Empress Golden. Empress, big of yourself, And she said, I have a TV show. I don't want nobody else. I want you to host it.
Oh.
I said, all right, cool. And then the idea was there marinating for a bit. And we finally kick it off. I'm not sure if it's 2030 or maybe 2040. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
But the idea finally got brought to life.
Alright, Kevin, we see you have on a brand.
Oh, this?
Yeah, it's close to a brand. It's close to a brand.
I'm on top of the line, this man. This is how you use them away nowadays. This is how you use them away nowadays.
Is that your brand or is it?
Eh?
Is it your brand?
You can call it that, you know? Supreme.
I mean, it looks so real.
What is it?
It was real too.
Yeah, but the whole idea is that I would like to kind of just make fun of the brands that are really big and popular. So what I did was to take the Supreme that everybody's fascinated with and I made a joke of it. So Supreme, you don't know, yeah, the thing, you know.
Soap.
See soap there.
They have red pea soap in a better
That's
stuff.
what I'm
But
saying.
you don't know the thing how it's
Tie
a big
in there
steel.
with
that they
Which
have
is
on
very
it.
clever because of
Supreme,
you know
you know?
the whole ideal that you're you're a
Exactly.
comedian, so,
So I
it's
just flip it,
clever,
make it fun.
I guess. When it comes to
That's very
relationship, it's often said that women can't do the same things that men do and still be considered a lady. So when it comes to relationship, do you think that women are judged more harshly than men about their past?
Yeah.
Woo! You see, first
Yeah,
things first, let me
definitely.
put a disclaimer. Say, I didn't make the rules of society. I just forward and me hear them say a thing and I work with it. I say, but for me, still differently. I don't ask women about their past because personally, sometimes it might turn you off. You see me? Or you see me? I say sometimes it might kill a little fire with the up or somebody. Because if you ask somebody and say, oh, you know, which past you have? And she say, boy, you know, say, my clock go on a little 50, you know what I mean? And then, and then all of a sudden you feel like a thing, wagga wagga and thing, and you can't really, you see me? I say? So, we don't really ask the question, you see me? I say, but we don't know how Celine and Kevin look on it.
I definitely care about a woman's past, you know.
Yeah?
I'd like to know what's the situation, what was happening, as much as I can do. That's me. You need to know what I go on. So, what I'm saying, you need to know where you come from, to know where you go. So, you need to know how you stay in relationships, the people you've been with, why you not there with them no more. Because if it's a situation where it's the same problem, why you not there with them, then you have to go straighten up that and fix it, you know? Yeah.
So you know what you think? You think you are judged more harshly?
Of course.
So you behave so like you personal. Yeah, please. Of course.
Touch a nerve.
You know what me say she could have shot me a box for the show she done it. Go on, alright,
Can
do it. Alright, go ahead, do it.
But yes, women are definitely judged more harshly. It's like men expect, like, I don't know, what is wrong with you know? When you don't think that we can have a past too.
No, I never said that. No, you didn't hear my comment earlier.
I want to direct it at you. I'm putting all my frustration.
No, but I mean, if you look at society still, you know, the girlish thing is praised. Yes, I say it's glorified actually. If you have 20 girlfriend, a man say, yeah man, that man, you see me? But if a girl don't say, oh, she have 20 boyfriend, then it look a little weird, you see me? I say, it like,
More than
why? I mean, we can say some things, but I don't think it's safe to say on
but
show. See, producer take up a water to seal your lip in the head. So, I'm not gonna say it. See what I say? So, Kevin, if you stay as a woman and meet a girl and you like her, you know, you see me, and think of one good,
Yeah.
you see me, and then one day Anna lie down and you say, boy, babes, how the past now? And she said, boy, you know, say, with the hope say you never ask. First thing she said, you see me? And then she said, second, but now I'm gonna lie, I'm probably about 160 boyfriend with you have. Active. What would you do?
But I definitely feel a way still, but if this is somebody that I care about, this is somebody that I love, then these things are not going to matter.
Exactly.
If it's just a fling thing, then it probably shouldn't even matter. It should have mattered less, because if you're just going there and just boom and gone, you shouldn't even care who she was with or none of that. But if it's somebody that you love and you care about, then whoever she's been with, it shouldn't really hinder you from moving forward with the relationship.
When I sound diplomatic.
You must
He's
say
married.
Alright. Probably that.
No, you have just meant things different, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because the reality of the situation.
being
If
grown.
you really love a girl, man, you know.
This week's challenge is Let's Dance. We will pick the name of a random dance move that we have to create and then demonstrate to music. Who created this game?
I did.
We will play 3 rounds and the audience will decide which dance move they like best from each round.
I don't think I
Hey,
have
dance in a
space.
song.
And that's how we are going to
Okay, is that? Let's move the chairs and begin. The producer thought about this. Thought about the excuse. So dance time.
Dancehall.com came on.
Dance all that come there.
Bye.
See that dance silly. I'm tell you so far now. You never believe. So we are going to do the people must talk.
We're not going to dance, so we're busy. Let's go.
Oh, we have pick one.
Oh, I'm supposed to look at it?
So my dances.
Ready?
What?
What is this?
I don't
You have a
know.
couple seconds.
You have a couple seconds.
One
I'll
at
go
a
first.
time.
I don't know.
Ladies first.
No, I have to think
No, you have to
about
make up the dance.
Oh.
Ladies
So
first.
tell
you
us the
want.
dance. What's it about?
Ladies first. You.
Hi everyone, my name is Sully. I joke.
Hello, Jamaica.
Hello Jamaica, when I grew up. Okay, so my dance is called the bounce.
We're supposed to tell them
That's
what
so
dance
easy.
him.
it.
Yeah.
Easy thing that's
That's a
enough.
one
That's
tree,
so
my
easy,
friend.
Selena.
That's a one tree, dog.
I'll give you the music. So tell me when you're ready.
Well, you know, when really rock. What? No, wait, no.
You have to do one real dance. No, that's rock the world. You can't.
Yeah, you can't see for dance. You have to invent the
That's
dance.
copyright infringement.
No, it's not.
That's someone's intellectual property. infringement.
Alright.
Do that.
I'll give you the music so you can. Ready?
One. What you? What is it?
Need a party now.
No, you.
No, it's a one-man dance.
Bugs.
Are we doing that one then?
You know, you finish this already, then you have to do it so them can
Do it for the
see
The
people.
people that want to catch your box, you know.
Yeah, one left.
You have to go around.
You have to put your hands up, people. Put your hands up.
Yeah, I have to be
I'm in
like.
a circle.
There you go. Ready? Okay, alright.
Yeah.
Together.
Ready?
Right.
You come
Ready?
forward.
All right, ready?
5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah, one left. One left.
I'm bringing it back.
Selena Rivers.
I'm going to put on my house still, you know, but I know all this I can do.
All right, ready? Kevin to
Take
music.
this pencil.
Well, I'm saying I'm too tall.
They're seeing you.
What go on, people? You don't know Kevin too crazy.
Watch it.
I'll go back a bit.
Come back.
Oh, you see?
Yeah.
Kevin too crazy. My dance name the Daydream. I don't know.
Wow.
I don't know what that one is.
Where's your rhythm?
Where is somebody see on that?
Alright, see there, Daydream. Follow me now.
Yeah.
Put out one hand. So
Yeah.
that's it.
Yeah.
Lift up the next one.
Yeah.
And you put it on. Follow me now. Daydream. Daydream. And if you want to spice it up, you walk out with it. You see what I'm saying?
One.
Daydream. See that daydream? I hit my pussy place right now. Daydream.
All right.
I'll pick the next one.
I bet Shani pick one song from the 90s. Or one 80s song.
You can, alright.
No.
It was random selection. It was random.
You never know random nothing. You know where you select. Mine is
The skip
the
it.
skip it.
Skip it.
The skip it. The skip it.
See
Ready?
how that goes.
Wow.
Skip it, you're ready.
I'm not
It was random.
I didn't think that difficult to skip it. So hold on, we have to use my legs because I skip. You see me? You see me? Ready now? Here.
Yo, I'm gonna go to dance
that's
here.
it.
Which dance
We're not.
Which dance
You have to make something, son. Where you go with that? Get you one out.
You know what skip dance is about?
Skip it.
Skip it.
Skip it.
Skip it.
How you just skip
Skip the line. Skip it.
Boy, you know something we can do? Ready? Skip it. Skip it. Skip it. Skip it. Eh?
We have to
Oh,
come
me
on.
have to turn it.
We have to keep that.
No,
No, but you know what skip dance is about? They have skip to Malou, them have skip Ray. Dancehall
So
skip
where
it.
you
No
at?
matter how much you talk, you still have to show we dance.
We are waiting for and skip it.
Nah, me I try to find and skip it, but every dance me go up with
Skip
it, I
it,
tell me
skip
say.
it.
You see me? Alright, me have an idea. Alright, ready. The book's up. Ready? Skip it.
Original.
Skip it.
Hey!
Skip it.
Yes.
Skip it.
Ravers.
Now skip that chapter, yeah.
Skip it. Skip it. Skip it.
That don't look like you're skipping anything no more.
Alright.
We don't need to copyright them dance here. We don't need to
Alright, who
copyright them
win?
dance here.
So let him tell you who win.
Alright people, so we just finished shooting and everything. So everybody
Guys, don't.
Selena, K-Boy, Shanique,
Yo, make sure to make it in it.
Paulice, Richie.
The girl behind the camera today. Hey.
Paulice did not shoot it full every time. You see me? Some big up Paulice, you see me? We don't know, it was a nice show, man. If you don't want to go watch it, just go tune into our loop, Instagram, Facebook. Where else will it
Put it up on
be?
YouTube.
It's gonna be on YouTube and also on the website, so you can go check it out. Yeah man, a solid show, you see me? Check it out.
And then need to copyright the dance move.
Not sure.
If I get